Hello everybody, so today I'm going to review and compare these two nice speakers from JBL. On my left here I've got the Clip 4 and on my right here I've got the Go 3. Which one do you think would sound better? Well, that's why we're here, we're going to find out. First, let's just quickly talk about the design. So on the Clip 4, as you can see, it's got this hook here, so it's nice for portability. And on the Go 3, it's got a nice strap here, but you can't open it, so it's more for holding it or for putting another clip on it. Anyways, they both look the same. As you can see, they both look similar in design. It's because they are the latest from JBL. I love the design. It's very nice and simple. You can see here they both have USB-C charging port. They don't have any aux imports, and they don't have mics in, so you can't make a phone conversation with these. Let's weigh them. They are supposed to be portable, so you'd think weight is very important. So 209 versus 245. Looks like if you want something lighter, you're going to have to go with the Go 3. Okay, maybe it's called, that's why it's called Go, because they are the lightest. Okay, let's do some sound quality check now. The song is called RP. Another thing I've noticed is the charging indicator. On the Clip 4 is going to show you how much it's charged. On the Go 3 you're not going to find out. You'll find out from your phone instead. Okay, let's do a sound test, and we're going to start with the Go 3. Volume is at 50%. It's so bass, it's just bouncing over the table. Alright, calm down, little speaker. What can I say? I think the impression I got straight away is they sound exactly identical. Bass-wise, treble and mid sound exactly the same, apart from the Clip 4 is slightly louder, obviously because it's bigger, but not by much. So let's play them off full volume, see which one plays louder. I'm going to start with the Clip 4, I'm going to start with the Go 3, which I think is the quieter one. Okay, 110. Let's see if the Clip 4 would beat it. By just. To be honest, I don't think it even beat it, because the difference is so small. It's 0.2 decibels. I don't think it counts. It could be distance between the mic and the speaker. They both sound as loud as each other. Okay guys, so if I had to choose, I'll go with the Clip 4. I don't know, but it does sound better for some reason. Not much different, but it does sound slightly better. So my point of view is I'd get this one. It's more expensive than the Go 3. Go 3 I think is about £34, and the Clip 4 is about £54. It's newer, and probably that's why it's more expensive. But if you can wait for the price to go down, you can just go with the Go 3. It's a brilliant speaker. They're both brilliant speakers. I love JBL speakers, and I think they're doing a great work. And every time they just seem to improve from one year to another. They introduce a new technology, and they make their speakers look great. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just ask. I'll put the link to where you can get them the cheapest. It will be below the video on the description bit. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you another one. Bye.